With sales of fizzy drinks on the decline, Tango, a great British institution, was under threat.
See, the Brits define themselves by the things they have around them, like red phone boxes, the pound, the Queen Mum, God rest her soul, black taxis. It hit me like a freight train. Align Tango with those valued icons. I got the media talking about what we've loved and lost. Tango was in every tabloid and mid-market in just 2 short weeks. Get the conversation going on Facebook. Tick. Spread some funny films on YouTube.
Join the campaign. Save Tango.
Tick. Flickered, Twittered, Blogtastic, all resulting in over 200 social networking pieces and blogs. I started the conversation. Tango was back. Results show 36% of the UK population was aware of the campaign, with 33% generated by PR alone. Now that's a tick. I smashed the uppermost stretch targets for the campaign.
Who's the daddy?
Me!